Welcome to this tutorial on installing AMD ROCm on Ubuntu 22.04. Are you ready to unlock the full potential of your AMD GPU? In this video, we'll show you how to set up your system for GPU development and explore the capabilities of AMD's open-source ROCm platform for AI computing. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out with machine learning, this tutorial is perfect for you. So let's dive in and get started. AMD ROCm is an open-source platform designed to unlock the potential of your AMD GPU. It's a collection of tools and libraries that enable AI computing on AMD GPUs, making it an ideal choice for developers working with machine learning frameworks like PyTorch. With ROCm, you can tap into the power of your AMD GPU and accelerate your deep learning workloads. To install ROCm on Ubuntu 22.04, you'll need to meet the system requirements. Make sure your operating system is up to date and your GPU model is supported by ROCm. Now that you've met the system requirements, it's time to install ROCm. Follow these steps carefully: update your Ubuntu package list, install the ROCm packages using apt-get, and finally verify the installation with ROCm. After installing ROCm, you'll want to verify that everything is working as expected. Check the ROCm version, verify your GPU support, and test the installation with a sample PyTorch script. Congratulations! You've completed the installation process and are now ready to dive into the world of AMD ROCm for AI computing. Join the #AMDevs community to connect with other developers, share knowledge, and stay up to date on the latest developments in GPU technology. Thanks for watching this tutorial on installing AMD ROCm on Ubuntu 22.04. If you have any questions or need further assistance, join our community at #AMDevs and connect with other developers working in the field of AI computing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and content on GPU development and machine learning.